Hi guys, today I'm going to be giving the interior of my Jeep a nice deep clean. I obviously will be doing the vacuuming and the easy stuff, but I'm also going to be wiping down all of the surfaces on the inside. I'm going to be showing you guys some products I'm using that I really enjoyed and some that I didn't, and just kind of showing you guys how I gave my car a nice deep clean and how I organize it. So if you guys are interested, make sure to keep watching and let's get started. So I wanted to quickly show you guys everything I'll be using. So that organizer on the back is from Ollie's. It was $8 and that's what I end up using to organize my trunk. I have my Dyson vacuum. I have another little vacuum that I got from Amazon that I really like because it has a little blower on it, which is cool. I have my leather cleaner as well as my all surface cleaner I'll be using. I got these detailing brushes from Amazon, which I will link also down below in the description box, my microfiber cloths, and my vent cleaner. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. The first thing I wanted to do was clear everything out. So it's I just took everything out that obviously I didn't need to clean, and I left my vacuum and stuff obviously, but all of, like, I had gains in here, I had a blanket and a sweatshirt and like random stuff. So I took all of that out, and then I went in and I gave all of the interior a good clean. So this included the floors as well as the seats, because you know crumbs and stuff get stuck in the seats. And I used my Dyson I forgot, V8 V7 animal vacuum, and I really wasn't too impressed. Like, it didn't pick up the hair very well in my car. It does really well in my house, but in my car it didn't pick up very well. So maybe I'll invest in a nicer vacuum to use in my car eventually, but for now I was just using what I have. And then I used my little one that I told you that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna keep it in my car for the purpose of vacuuming my car, but the reason I like it is because it has a little blower on one side, so anything that's kind of like stuck in the little corners and crevices, I use that to blow it out. And then on the other side of it, it has a vacuum, and obviously I use that to vacuum. So I'll link that down below in the description box. It was like $30. You have to charge it, but I'm going to keep it in my car for any time, you know, I make a mess and I need to quickly vacuum something up. And it's super convenient and compact, and I really like it. So after I finished vacuuming the inside, I wanted to take the floor mats out and give those a good vacuum. I also used this carpet refresher that you can see right there in the corner. It's actually from the Dollar Tree, and it has baking soda and something else in it, and it's supposed to get odors out. And I actually used this one time in my old car because I had spilled some milk in there. I don't even remember why I had milk in my car. But anyway, I'd spilled some milk in there and nothing would get the smell out. So I tried this product, and it was the only thing that got that smell out. So ever since then, I really, really like it. And these don't have a bad smell to them, but I thought it would just be nice to kind of give them a nice refresh. And as you can see, it just absorbs into the fabric, and then I wiped down the leather part of it with a microfiber cloth just to get the extra dirt off. So it's really a good investment for $1. And if you guys ever have any odors that you can't seem to get out of anything, definitely try this out. I also used it to get some odors out of my leather bar stools that I couldn't get out with any name brand cleaner. So definitely check this out. It's at the dollar store. They usually have it in stock. I've gone a couple times and they don't have it in stock, but definitely ask. I will put the name of it down below in the description box because I really highly recommend it. Now moving on to wiping down the interior. I used this all-purpose cleaner that I got actually at Meijer on 90% off clearance. And if you guys follow me out over on Instagram, then you guys probably already know this. I posted it, I don't know, probably about a month ago, and I bought 2 packs of them. They had the all-purpose cleaner, like a scrub brush, and then a deodorizer. So I bought 2 of them. They ended up being like $1 and some change. So I used that to wipe down the interior, and I really liked that. And then I used this leather cleaner to use to wipe down my leather seats, and I wasn't too impressed with it. It kind of left like some residue, so I don't know if I'm going to keep using it. I probably will finish up using the product because I don't want it to go to waste, but I probably won't buy it again. So if you guys are curious what products they are, I will link them down below in the description box. And if you guys have any recommendations for good leather cleaners in your car, definitely let me know for next time. So I got this vent cleaner thing. I saw it on Amazon and I wanted to try it out. And basically you just stick it in your vents and like basically dust, kind of like you would with your blinds. And it was, first of all, as you can see, kind of a pain to get in. I don't know if it's just like my vents. And second of all, I really didn't think it did much cleaning. Maybe mine just really weren't that dusty, but I don't know, kind of a waste of a product to buy if you're thinking about buying it. I then went in my like center console and used this detailing brush and my all-purpose spray and just kind of got deep in the crevices and gave everything a good wipe down. So now that everything was all clean, I wanted to show you guys how I organize my car. So again, I got this 3 like organizer thing, I don't know what it is, at Ollie's, and it was $8. And in one compartment I just keep an extra blanket and an umbrella. The middle one I'll show you guys in a second. And then this one I just keep all my extra car cleaning accessories like wipes, microfiber cloths, glass cleaner, and all that good stuff. So this little travel organizer has my name on it because it was a gift and I really like it. And in here I just keep some extra products. So in the green container I keep extra matches because you never know you're gonna need that. And then in the blue one I keep extra first aid products like band-aids. And then moving into the big compartment, I have an extra bag that holds extra clothes, so like underwear, socks, and like an extra pair of shorts because you never know. And then I have an extra pack of tissues, lotion, perfume, face cream, and hand sanitizer. And again, just extra stuff that I keep in my car because you never know when you're gonna end up needing that stuff, so it just stays in my trunk. And then this is the back seat, all nice and clean. I used my little cup holder paw print things that I ordered off Amazon and put those in, and they're super cute. And then moving on the front seat, I have my little pop socket holder to hold my phone, and it's a little bear. And as you can tell, it has little ears which hold like chargers and stuff, which I got that charger from a friend of mine, so that's just what I keep there. I have more of my little paw print cup holder things for my front seat. And then in my center console, I just have a knife and my lens cleaner. And then in the bigger compartment, it looks a hot mess because of the cord, but I just have more first aid products, a comb, extra cords, deodorant, and Kleenex. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you guys have cleaned your car out recently. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will talk to you guys soon for another video. Bye.